Fangli was colonized in the early Yongzheng period of the Qing dynasty, developed by the Quanzhou people. It quickly became a commercial hub in Taiwan, home to impressive old houses built by wealthy families. Fangli is a must-see when you're in Yuanli. I heard that this place was the first area to be developed in Yuanli.
The names Fangli and Yuanli are translated from the Pinghu people's Taokas language. Now here we are at Fangli, sir. In the Mingnan dialect, it's Bangsua Buisha. They call it Bengsang Buisha during the Yongzheng period. Bengsang means collapsing mountain, which in our area, Fangli, this was the first stop for people coming in from mainland China back then. The township started as the first stop.
I saw something unusual over there. It's my first time seeing this. What is this place?
This is the Yidu Pavilion. In the past, we have a lot of rivers here. A governor named Huoyan visited this place and saw some locals were ferrying people across the river, but they charged high fees and made life difficult for ordinary people, like merchants carrying heavy things. So Huoyan came here. He started to raise funds so he could buy lands and rent it out for farming. The rent collected helped provide food for the boatmen or Yudu workers and cover ship repairs. He also erected several monuments during the 17th year of the Daoguang reign.
Wow, that was a long time ago.
There, pedestrians can cross whenever without paying a fee. Anyone who demands money will be severely punished by the officials.
Oh, so voluntary ferry refers to providing free transportation for travelers to cross the river.
Right. Some call it Yidu, others say it's Guandu. He wanted to emphasize it was built by the government. It's for the people. No one has to pay.
I see that a lot of houses here are made of red bricks. Are these from a long time ago?
The ones with red bricks used to be shops that belonged to the wealthy. It was livelier in this part of the area.
Because of the rich people?
Yeah, as for the other shops, they were made of adobe bricks. Say this, for example, a street shop with just one door and one big window. They cover that window with a board and set up a small bamboo sheet.
They just display the goods here.
They have small and big bamboo pieces where they put the goods they're selling. These makeshift setups allowed vendors to display their products easily to passerby. It's the traditional street vendor shop.
Oh, I see. I get it.
That one next door with Stonewash used to be a company that sold items abroad.
Oh, like a trading company.
Yeah, like that. They would collect the hats and mats here and then sort them. Those products would be sold to Japan and Shanghai.
Oh, so handicrafts here gained worldwide fame.
Here it is, Yuanli Cai's old house, a historic house.
Oh, but it has that modern vibe.
This is the Tai Si Wall.
This house looks amazing. It's really grand. Was it a traditional courtyard house before?
Actually, it's a type called Sanheyuan. It was originally built as a courtyard house that has 3 buildings but was later connected to the main gatehouse, transforming it into a spacious courtyard house.
Was this once a mansion? It still looks beautiful today.
It dates back to the 5th year of Xianfeng, when they moved here after the city was established. It used to be a grocery store where they mainly sold rice and oil. After Japanese rule, they shifted to the hat and mat industry. They were one of the 2 biggest hat and mat companies here in Fangli. They had to use a cart every day to bring the products in and out.
Oh yeah, back there.
That's why the doorstep got weathered.
Oh, that's why the doorstep got weathered. No wonder. I was just going to say there's a shape. I thought it was designed that way on purpose. From the inspiring words on the Yidu Pavilion to the bricks and tiles of Chai's old house, every detail tells the story of Yuanli's ancestors and their contributions to this land. These elements not only warm the heart, but also reflect the rich legacy of the past, a powerful reminder of Yuanli's deep heritage. In autumn, Yuanli is filled with the subtle scent of pomelo, especially near the base of Huoyan mountain, where a garden of emperor pomelos flourishes. The calcium-rich soil here creates the perfect environment for growing large, sweet pomelos without the need for chemical enhancers. Today, we're visiting a friendly local farmer to check out these green gems growing on the trees. Hi, Mr. Lai. What kind of pomelo are you picking?
Right now, I'm picking tangelos, the Miaoli tangelo.
Oh, these ones right here? But these two have different colors. Are both ready to be picked?
The colors differ because this one got more sunlight, while the other didn't get as much sun. Actually, both are equally sweet and tangy.
So, then both are ripe and good to go? They smell nice. Do you have extra scissors? I'll help you out. Do I just cut it off directly?
Yeah, like this. Snip off the tip and cut it straight off.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, all good.
Alright. What about this one? It looks much bigger.
That's a white pomelo. I grow Imperial Pomelo, white pomelo, Miaoli tangelo, papaya orange, and shishi pomelo in my orchard.
Oh. Taiwan has an incredible variety of fruits. I only knew 2 types of pomelo before. I had no idea that there were so many in Taiwan. Why do they seem so much bigger here? I used to buy pomelo at the market, but I've never come across huge ones before.
It's the soil quality here. It belongs to an area where water flows down from the Huoyan mountain, so it has sandy soil.
Oh, no stones underneath.
None. It's all mud. The tree roots grow deep, absorbing plenty of nutrients including calcium and potassium.
Oh. Do you use any chemicals, insecticides, or anything like that?
No, I don't. My orchard is eco-friendly. No pesticides, no herbicides. I do manual weeding.
So no herbicides. Wow, that's truly organic.
Even the monkeys agree. They've already eaten 3 of them.
The monkeys got the first taste. Wow, we saw a lot of pomelos of different shapes and sizes along the way. It's like a pomelo museum. What kind of pomelo are we picking now?
Imperial Pomelo.
Seriously?
Yeah,
This feels so big.
as big as a basketball.
Wow. This is a pomelo? It's even bigger than my face. Imperial Pomelo, huh?
Right.
So this is considered the biggest one?
Not at all, because this is only about 80% grown.
You're saying this is only 80%?
And we give it another 20 days, it'll grow another pound or so.
Wow, just 80%, but it's already massive. It's the first time in my life I'm cutting a pomelo this huge. This is basically a basketball on a tree. Let's give it a try. It's much thicker than the ones before. Whoa, it's heavy. This requires effort. It looks like your staff got a bigger pomelo.
He did.
Let me take a look. Oh, so if this one is 80%, what about this one?
That one is 90%.
This is 90%? So how heavy is the biggest one you've ever picked?
It weighed around 11 pounds.
11 pounds? This one's heavy and huge enough. Imagine an 11-pound pomelo. The Imperial Pomelo, the biggest one, is even larger than my face. They gotta pick so many pomelos every day. It's like a workout. You definitely get some serious muscles from doing that kind of work every day. I've only ever had the typical pomelo. Then there's the pomelo that's commonly eaten during the Mid-Autumn Festival, the Wundan pomelo. I've never tried the other pomelos, like this tangelo we just picked.
Miaoli tangelo.
It smells really good. Then this one we just picked, the Imperial Pomelo, along with the other types here.
This is the papaya orange.
And this one is the white pomelo.
Yep, this is honey grapefruit.
There's way too many. And you sliced it all for us? They say pomelo is great for your health.
It can help lower blood pressure, keep your skin looking young, and even help with digestion. Sweet, isn't it?
Very. The ones that we just picked are so sweet.
Right.
It's so good. And this is the Imperial Pomelo. Just look at the size of this one. Massive. Different from the others. Peel it off like this.
Very sweet, right?
I think it has a more distinct aroma compared to that one.
A unique scent. One pomelo is enough for 4 people.
Then this one is white pomelo.
Yes. Just take that apart. Remove it.
Nice. I think it's more refreshing.
And it's juicy.
Should we let it sit for a while after we pick it? Then it'll mature and become sweeter?
It is best if you pick it and eat it within a week.
Oh, wait for a week.
If you wait for a week, it will ripen, but the sweet orange pomelo does not need to be aged.
Sweet orange pomelo, imperial pomelo.
And papaya orange don't need to be ripened later either.
Is this red pomelo?
This is Taiwanese honey grapefruit.
Oh, honey grapefruit. I'll give it a taste. It's like a typical grapefruit. It seems to be the same color.
Pretty much.
Let me give it a try.
Tasty?
So sweet. I feel like the texture is a bit grainy with each strip standing out.
Yeah, this is native to Taiwan. Its flesh is a bit firmer with a distinct taste.
The texture is not the usual, but I think all of them are really sweet today. It's because of the season, right?
More or less.
The emeralds from Huoyan Mountain truly live up to their name. They're healthy, safe, and also the perfect gift whether for yourself or someone else.